She's a brave girl. She's gonna pick up the little crab there.
Go.
She's grabbing the crab. She's gonna put him in the pot.
Yep, I will.
Wow, look at this crab.
Why?
Oh, he's fighting back. Got a great. Oh my goodness, she's got a crab. It's merely a baby. Oh, she's got more. Oh, this one's quite easy. No challenge for this expert right here. She can do it, no problem. Boom, easy. Now we got another one that's free.
No.
Oh no.
The last one is free.
All right, good job, Annie. All right, we're back with Annie, the brave adventurer. She's got the last crab. She's got to put it in the pot. Oh, it's fighting back. Oh, it's gonna get her. Oh. No, but Annie's too strong and too brave for them.
No!
And then he stabbed her a little bit. And she's just touching him like he's normal. It's so weird. Good job, Annie. You're my hero.
Oh! Look at
Uh-oh. Is she bleeding? Oh, the crab got her. The crab got her good.
I don't see it.
Oh, man.
Oh.
These are the dangers of dealing with the crabs. What kind of crabs are these, Annie?
I don't know what kind of crabs they live in the river. In Jiangsu province.
Oh, so these are Jiangsu river crabs.
Yep.
It's a little bit dangerous when they get free, but nothing that Annie can't handle because she's an expert. Tune in next time when we're eating the crab. Yummy!